the Murray-Darling Basin, a vast region stretching almost 3,000 kilometres from Queensland to the coast of South Australia. It's home to 2 million people and 40% of Australia's food production. It provides drinking water for Adelaide and many other cities and towns, but increasingly it's a region in crisis. Water flows are down to record lows in many rivers. In many areas, farmers are getting a small fraction of their water allocation for irrigation. Salinity threatens the health of rivers and large areas of once productive land. And 70% of the river red gums are stressed or dying. How did it come to this? The Murray-Darling Basin faces all kinds of environmental problems. The focus of this program will be on the supply and use of water in the region. To understand how the Murray-Darling Basin came to face so many problems to do with water, we need to look at its physical structure and how the rivers have been changed by human activity since European settlement. Globally, the Murray-Darling is not the biggest basin. What's special about it is that it's old, it's dry, and it's flat. In fact, the mountains in the north, east and south form a border to the flattest expanse on Earth. Most of this vast area rises no more than 100 metres above sea level. The mountains attract rain, so they provide the major catchments. And because the land is so old, runoff has been cutting rivers and washing sediment down them for hundreds of millions of years. The river system is vast. Hundreds of tributaries flow into the Darling, the longest river in Australia. The Darling, Murrumbidgee and many other rivers in turn flow into the Murray, which reaches the sea in South Australia. Over many millions of years, rainfall has had another effect on the region. Most of the minerals have been leached out, leaving extremely poor soil for any kind of farming. The position of the basin also makes a difference. It's the same distance from the equator as the Sahara Desert in northern Africa. So most of the area is also extremely dry and experiences intense summer heat.